next bonfire.
Yeah. Cool.
You see it? Or just burn it. Use that with your time.
Hold it low.
Get it, Amanda!
I don't see how this is gonna work. There we go. Yay!
Amanda, say the names.
That was John. This is Steven.
Die.
Woo!
This is gonna be so much fun.
I grabbed 2 of them.
Don't bring the ball.
Travis.
Travis Roper, that is.
You had to say the last name.
Yeah, I can't stand him. He's trying to get me Brandon! What's his last name?
About to get Brandon.
Don't.
Look at it go.
Burn, baby, burn! Ow!
Jake.
That's, I know who Jake is now.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Patrick.
Burn, baby, burn!
Burn, baby, burn.
Disco Inferno! Wait, what?
I don't know.
Hold it down.
Okay. Alright, Kelly, you're up. Alright, Amanda.
Okay.
Chris Road.
No last name.
Come on.
That thing doesn't want to work.
This is gonna be so much fun. Oh! I like those. I like this one the most. That's a heart in I know. No. Wayne's first.
Wayne.
The paper's like melting. Bless you.
My personal favorite.
Christian.
Damn it.
Kaylin's turn. It's gonna be so much fun. Oh, wait, I can't burn that one. Reckless instead of Kenny.
Yeah, look at that fire.
Aaron.
Personal favorite, right here. Indiana bound.
See, how's it working for her but not for us?
Yes. Bye bye. Just burn. Just burn for me. Thank you. Come here. There you go.
We're done. Now it's time to burn some clothes.
Woo!
I have no clothes, so I'll give it a